Unlock the secrets behind Deadmau5's signature progressive house sound and craft your own anthemic tracks. To begin, let's dissect the foundational elements. Deadmau5 often relies on a solid, driving kick drum while think a punchy, slightly compressed sound that forms the backbone of his tracks. Layering a sub-bass underneath, often a sine wave or a clean saw wave, provides that deep, rumbling low and essential for progressive house. Next, we'll focus on melodic progression. Deadmau5 is a master of building tension and release using arpeggiated synths and evolving pads. Experiment with simple, repeating melodic patterns and use filter cutoff automation heavily to create that classic wah or opening up sound that builds excitement. Think saw waves or square waves with a touch of resonance. Arrangement is key to the Deadmau5 experience. His tracks typically build gradually, introducing new elements and filtering them in and out. Start with your kick and bass, then introduce a simple synth melody, followed by pads and atmospheric effects. Use risers, sweeps, and subtle delays to transition smoothly between sections, creating dynamic shifts that keep the listener engaged. Finally, let's talk sound design and mixing. Deadmau5 is known for his clean, powerful sound. Utilize cytokine compression between your kick and bass to achieve that pumping effect. Employ EQ to carve out space for each element, ensuring clarity. Don't be afraid to use generous amounts of reverb and delay, but do so tastefully to create depth and atmosphere without muddying the mix. By focusing on these core principles, a strong rhythmic foundation, evolving melodies, strategic arrangement, and well-crafted sound design, you'll be well on your way to producing progressive house tracks with that unmistakable Deadmau5 flair.